Windows play a vital role in the beauty, functionality, and energy efficiency of your home. Over time, windows can wear out, lose their effectiveness, or become outdated, making professional window replacement a smart investment. In Pell City, where weather conditions range from hot summers to chilly winters, replacing old windows can significantly enhance your home's comfort and value. Let's explore the top benefits of professional window replacement and why it's worth considering for your home. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the most compelling reasons to replace your windows is to improve energy efficiency. Older windows may have single-pane glass or outdated seals that allow drafts and heat transfer. Professional window replacement offers improved insulation. Modern windows with double or triple pane glass and gas fills, like argon or krypton, keep your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Lower energy bills. Reduced energy loss translates to significant savings on heating and cooling costs. Eco-friendly living. By using less energy to regulate indoor temperatures, you lower your carbon footprint and contribute to a greener environment. In Pell City, where temperatures can swing dramatically between seasons, energy-efficient windows make a noticeable difference in both comfort and utility expenses. Boosted curb appeal. Windows are a key architectural feature, and replacing them can instantly revitalize the appearance of your home. Professional window replacement offers the opportunity to upgrade to modern designs. Choose from a wide variety of styles, such as casement, double-hung, or picture windows, to match your home's aesthetic. Personalized customization. Professional installers can help you select finishes, colors, and trims that complement your home's exterior and interior. Increase home value. A fresh, polished look can make your property more appealing to buyers if you're considering selling. New windows are not just functional, they can serve as a design statement that enhances your home's overall character. Improved home comfort. Comfort is key when it comes to creating a welcoming home environment, and outdated windows can compromise that. Replacing your windows professionally ensures reduced drafts. Properly sealed, modern windows eliminate drafts that cause uneven room temperatures. Noise reduction. Many modern windows are designed with soundproofing technology, making your home quieter and more peaceful, an especially valuable feature in busy neighborhoods or near highways. Better ventilation. New window designs often improve airflow and make it easier to regulate indoor air quality. These benefits create a cozy, tranquil space where you and your family can relax year-round. Increased home security. Safety is a top priority for homeowners, and outdated windows may lack the structural integrity or locking mechanisms necessary to protect your home. Professional window replacement can enhance security through durable materials. New windows made from advanced materials are harder to break or tamper with. Advanced locking systems. Modern designs feature multi-point locking mechanisms for added peace of mind. Impact-resistant glass. Options like laminated or tempered glass offer greater resistance to breakage, protecting your home from intruders or severe weather. Investing in secure windows is an investment in your family's safety. Reduced maintenance needs. Older windows often require constant upkeep, such as repainting or resealing, to maintain their appearance and functionality. Professional window replacement eliminates these hassles by providing low-maintenance materials. Options like vinyl or fiberglass are resistant to warping, rotting, or fading. Advanced coatings. Many new windows come with coatings that reduce dirt buildup and make cleaning easier. Long-term durability. Modern windows are designed to last for decades, reducing the need for repairs or frequent replacements. In Pell City's humid summers and wet winters, low-maintenance windows save you time, money, and effort. Maximized return on investment. Professional window replacement isn't just an expense, it's a value-adding improvement that offers long-term financial benefits. These include higher resale value. Homes with updated windows are more attractive to buyers, allowing you to command a higher selling price. Energy rebates. Depending on the type of windows you choose, you may qualify for energy rebates or tax credits, offsetting the initial cost. Longevity. Professionally installed windows are built to last, providing decades of comfort and savings. Replacing your windows is a smart way to protect and grow your home's value over time. Professional expertise for peace of mind. While DIY projects can be tempting, professional window replacement offers unmatched quality and assurance. By working with experts in Pell City, you benefit from precise installation. Proper installation ensures optimal performance and prevents issues like air leaks or water damage. Tailored solutions. Professionals help you choose the best windows for your home's unique needs and aesthetic preferences. Warranty protection. Most professional installations come with warranties, giving you confidence in your investment. Conclusion. Professional window replacement offers a range of benefits that go beyond aesthetics. From improved energy efficiency and comfort to enhanced security and long-term savings, new windows are a worthwhile upgrade for your Pell City home. By working with experienced professionals, you ensure high-quality results that will keep your home beautiful, secure, and energy efficient for years to come. If you're considering window replacement, don't wait. Start exploring your options today and discover how new windows can transform your home.